Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jack, and this is a quick seated practice to get you out of your funk. All right, so just gonna get ourselves moving a little bit. So bring your hands just like this and start to open and close your hands. Opening and closing the hands, so making fists and then making wide like jazz hands. And then go faster. And as you do this movement with the hands, start to breathe bigger. So breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Twice more with your breath. My hands are getting tired. Can we go for one more? Interlace your fingers. Now start to breathe just through your nose. Make some circles with your wrists. So breathe in and out through your nose. Some of you are familiar with Ujjayi pranayama. Breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the nose. And if you're interested in learning more about the breath techniques, we go through those on my membership site, so you can check that out. There's a link below. Remove or reverse the direction of your circles. Don't remove your circles. Reverse the direction, which is a good exercise for the brain. And then give your hands a shake. And then 3 breaths like that. Breathe in through the nose. Ha out the mouth. Second time. Last time. If you're sitting cross-legged like me, switch the crossing of your legs. So you bring the other shin in front, and then seated cat and cow. Inhale, hands on the knees, let the heart open, lift the gaze. Exhale, round the spine, let the shoulder blades separate. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You could speed it up, keep going, or you could slow it down. Start to find a rhythm that feels natural for you, but it also keeps your attention, so you're not getting bored. And then let's meet back in a nice tall seat. Give your shoulders a little wiggle, a little shimmy. And then together, inhale, let the shoulders come up toward the ears. Exhale, drop them back and down. Twice more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's reverse the direction 3 times. So inhale, shoulders roll up and then forward and down. Inhale, shoulders up, forward and down. Last time. Excellent. Take your left hand out to the left. Reach your right arm over your right ear. Take a side bend. So left fingertips could be on the ground, especially since I'm sitting up on this bolster. The ground is further away. You could also take a block under your hand, but stretch over to your left. And then gently turn your gaze up underneath your right bicep. And when you do this, see if you can turn the heart a little more open to the sky too. Take your left hand to the back of your head. As you inhale, open your left elbow wider. Sorry, that's your right elbow. Open your right elbow wider. And then bring your right elbow toward your left elbow. You can look up here if you need a visual. Inhale, open it back up. Exhale, right elbow toward left. Let's do one more. So link it with your breath. We're almost done with our quick practice. So stay here, stay present. And then inhale, sit back up tall. And of course, we'll take this right over to the other side. So walk your right hand out to the right. Send your left arm up and over your left ear. And then use your right fingertips to help you turn more open toward the sky. Take a breath right into the left side of the waist so you can really feel where you're breathing. And then take your left hand for real this time, to the back of your head. As you inhale, left elbow opens. As you exhale, left elbow toward right elbow. Twice more with your breath. Breath and movement, keep it simple. Inhale, release both of your arms. Sit yourself up nice and tall. And if there's any last little movements or wiggles that you want to add into your short practice before you head into your day, go ahead. Otherwise, bring your hands to your heart center in Anjali Mudra. Thank yourself for taking this time. Every little practice contributes to something big, which could be shift, which could be change, which could be you remembering exactly the wonderful being that you are. See you next time.